Hi, I'm Adam. I'm a movie producer and one of the founders of Periscope. I've been making movie budgets for over 20 years, and today I'm going to walk you through how we can do that with the Periscope budgeting app. Periscope budgeting is a lot like Movie Magic, but also a lot different. Let me show you how. So once you get the Periscope budgeting app website up on your browser, you can log in like pretty much any website. I'm going to choose to continue with Google. I've already created my account and registered. And that brings me into the Periscope budgeting interface. So the first thing I want to show you about is the classic versus the new view. Classic view, which you can toggle up here at this button, is going to look like your top sheet. You're probably pretty familiar with this. But the new view is a way to navigate through the budget by clicking, as opposed to having to use keyboard shortcuts that take you in and out of a category. This allows you to click and it opens it up. Next to those classic and new toggle buttons, you have the option to download Periscope as an app on your desktop. I also really like to use it as an app. I usually have about 50 different tabs open in any given web browser, usually a handful of web browsers too. And to scroll through those and try and find where I'm at takes forever. So if I can just toggle through my open apps, it's a lot quicker. I'm also usually referencing websites, looking up flights and hotel costs and all sorts of things on the browser. So it's nice to be able to go back and forth between apps instead of web pages. Next to that, you'll see this little play icon here is where there's a whole library of videos like this one where we will show you the features, not only the features of Periscope budgeting, but also just a few tutorials and tips and tricks about how to budget for a movie. Then we have the keyboard shortcuts. These are going to be defaulted to familiar shortcuts that you probably already know. And then we have the day-night view. Makes it a little easier on the eyes, and the night view, if you ask me, also saves a little battery on your laptop if you need that. And then over here is where your profile settings, billing, and logout can all be accessed.